Welcome back and thank you for staying with KTN Prime. Now let's quickly look at what's in store for you in tomorrow's edition of Kenya's bold newspaper, The Standard. The headline is Scared Government Brute Force. Fear. Once again, the government unleashed brute force on Kenyans exercising their democratic right to protest. Sealing off the capital and major towns, the razor wire fences around State House in Nairobi and Mombasa and the Houses of Parliament exposed a leadership so fearful of its own citizens that it would rather confine them to their homes than hear their grievances. The police, now seemingly President Ruto's last line of defense, killed at least 10 Kenyans, adding to the mounting toll of innocent lives lost. Now, this crackdown comes just days after The Economist warned that Ruto is taking Kenya to a dangerous place. We'll be having an update of what transpired today, what you know and what you don't know in tomorrow's edition of The Standard. So be sure to grab a copy. All right, moving on, the total shutdown of Nairobi today has seen the capital forgo an estimated 10.5